I did want to make an extra little video just because I bought the chicken and the chicken feet from Piggly Wiggly, and so then when I took the chicken out, I'm so happy it does have chicken skins on it, and that is going to make an even better meat broth. The ones that they had with the skin on, where it was showing it, they were all frozen, and so this one was fresh, and it also had a better price, so which is why I bought this chicken at Piggly Wiggly. So now I'm sauteing it in the Instant Pot, and so I'll get that all browned, and as you can see, the chicken feet is all browned, and then I'll fill it up, and like I said, I'm hoping to do 12 pints today and then get that canned today, and hopefully in the next few days I can be able to, probably in the next week, I'm going to freeze some of these chicken feet and then some of the chicken itself, and then probably do another batch of 12 next week. So alright guys, y'all have a wonderful day, and remember, meat heals and sugar kills and fat is where it's at. Also, just a reminder, today I'm going to be doing my Body Beast workout arms, so since I told you, I won't do a video about it. Y'all have a great day.